last episode.
It technically has.
I know.
I'm just trying to make sure you were okay, so if you could call me.
Still trying to get in touch with Wolf?
Yeah. It's taking an alarming swinger's amount of time. Not proud. My go-to way to find her would be Archer, but that is taking an annoyingly long time to get back online. So
She doesn't want to be found. Felicity, her whole life has been flipped upside down. I know what that's like. Just
speaking of, are you sure that you are okay now that you know that your sister's evil and trying to kill you?
too soon? Need to focus on finding her and the Ninth Circle and stopping whatever they have planned.
I'm looking for you. Your wife is incredibly resourceful.
I'm gonna get out of here in a minute.
Lead. Having come as bullet led me to Andrew Thornton's rifle, which led me to 12 different shell companies, which led me to the fire.
It is not weird that she hasn't found the buyer herself with the resources of the Ninth Circle at her disposal.
Okay, well, not to toot my own horn, but Emiko is more of the Karate Kid, Hilary Swank version, and I am more of the Mr. Robot version, but prettier. Have you considered that Emiko probably made up the whole finding my mother's killer thing?
I know that she's lied about basically everything else, but I just had a sixth sense that she's not lying about this one. So if John and I can find the killer first, then we can leverage that against Emiko and the Ninth Circle and stop whatever they plan.
Well, I have a sense that a road trip with John is exactly what the doctor ordered. Bring Renee with you for backup.
May has a school thing with Zoe. Speaking of which, would you take it easy for me, please?
Oh, me? You know what, I really wish I could, but I have a really intense Netflix binge that I have scheduled way back, and I also am going to eat everything in the fridge, so it's going to get pretty crazy in here.
Precious cargo.
I must act like he went like that. I was like, duh.
I think we finally lost this kind of...
Oh no.
Guess not.
I say so.
This murderer, and we are all fooling ourselves thinking she's anything like the real Laurel Rance. We should be
Yes.
looking for, not hunting for her.
I'm sorry. I agree.
You know, she can't replace the original one.
She's a fake.
I like the original one better. First one. Off one. Whatever you want to call her.
Black Siren. Church's robbery, Pinky Strike later. Or would they steal bubbles? Pinky is run by Walter Santorini. He's a money launderer.
Really bad lighting in this scene.
What are we doing next?
I think that's trying to backtrack on those. Yeah.
Could have taken creepy mask guy off the board.
Did you not notice they were walking behind you?
If anyone's gonna get through the world, it's her sister. Well, not her. Real sister in the face of her sister, you know what I mean? Seriously think she's so capable of redemption after what we just did. Well, it's all theoretical anyway, since I have no idea where Shadow Thief or Laurel are operating out of. Hold that thought. We just got a location on Shadow Thief's secret hideout. They played us. Hey, signatures, that is devious and impressive.
You're gonna get lost inside it.
Are you okay? Laurel's trying to kill us.
Uh-oh.
Do you believe it now?
Okay, I guess.
Instead of hiding in the shadows, let's take this fight to Galaxy One. Make them pay for blood with blood. Sometimes I don't know who you sound more like. Your mother or your
Oh, wait, didn't
father. Started the Canaries?
What do you think? Who does she sound more like? Both of them.
This is more than just something I failed to do for a friend once. But ever since that happened with her, I made a promise to myself that I would never make that mistake again. Nobody's as good as the original Laurel Lance, not even me.
It's finally been said.
Look, I don't know what you've heard of. I guess if you're okay with that device killing people, you may as well start with me.
I know this is gonna happen, so.
Me too. Finally, the deal's off. They kind of expected if we had a backup plan.
Oh, damn it. I better get some protective valve after this. Don't drink that. You're not supposed to be drinking that.
And tomorrow. Thank you for these. Yeah. Oh, well, cheers to that. Yeah. Two of these? I mean, come on, I worked really hard, so. That's what. Did it all the time, and my sister was pregnant. Oh, way to bury the lead. That's how you knew I was pregnant. I have something for you.
It's the.
My Canary costume. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I thought you could use it here, but.
that's a nice moment.
Oh, you're home. I missed you. Get what you're looking for?
Yep. I'm exhausted to it. Sit on the couch.
How you doing?
Order some food and, I don't know, whatever you're craving, okay?
Alrighty. After I say goodbye to Laurel.
She found Laurel. But you said goodbye to her already.
Well, yeah. After we stopped her from going on a killing spree. Dinah and Sarah. Yeah, that's Sarah. And we did it.
I'm gonna fall off the couch.
Super easy. You know? It was like Charlie's Angels without the feathered hair and casual sex with them.
So that whole taking it easy thing.
Well, you know, I'm not good at that.
No, I'm here now, so I'll take care of you.
Well, you can start with the foot rub.
Be careful, Mia. Ew! Oh! She's back.
I've seen you before. Oh, Green Arrow document.
Okay, so that was Arrow episode 18. I don't know why I always do that. I was blank on episode numbers, but that was a very good, albeit a little kind of, I don't know, quiet slow episode, but it was I'd say it was mostly a female-driven, female power episode.
definitely.
It can make you feel really empowered watching that episode, which was a really good one.
I get into the favorite moments.
And my favorite moments was
Go ahead.
of course the Eldestry scenes, Mia's scenes and the flash forwards, and just like the finding out answers from the flash forwards. Yours?
Yeah, kind of. I like the other three scenes too, because they were like nice and quiet and just, that you needed that.
My probably least favorite part of this episode was probably just the fact that Oliver wasn't really in it that much. I just miss seeing his face. It's not the same as Adam, but it was a very good episode. I liked it. A couple different moments flashed through me at the last scene, or the last flash forward scene with Mia. When she was fighting that person, I had a sudden thought of, oh my gosh, she's fighting her father.
Oh.
So I was waiting, that's how it was gonna come off and she was gonna see him.
They need to meet. They need to see each other. I'm sorry. I guess I meant to make you feel better. I just made you feel worse.
No, I can't feel anyone. I don't think there's much else we can say about this episode.
No, not much. Like you said, it was like it was a slow, quiet episode.
Yeah. So
Really only good for the Odyssey scene. Just for the show.
So I hope you guys liked this episode and you liked this reaction. Comment down below your favorite parts of the episode, and make sure to subscribe if you have not, to keep coming, to stay tuned with all these reactions we have. And until next time.